Assalamu alaikum. So today I will start new chapter number 2, limits. Okay. So today I will start chapter number 2, limits. Okay. So look over here, chapter number 2, limits. So let me start by the definition of limit. The limit of a function. Okay. So how to define limit? See the definition here. The limit of a function fx as x approaches a is L, means that if you substitute x values that get arbitrary close to number a into fx, the corresponding outputs will get arbitrary close to the number L, that is this one. This is the definition. So definition of limit, what is the meaning of this? When x करीब a, then function fx करीब L. When this x, look here, when this x करीब number a, then this function करीब number L. This is the meaning. Okay. How to define limit of a function? We will write like this: limit x goes to a, then this function fx goes to L. Okay. This a is number. When this x करीब number a, okay, then this function करीब number L. This is the meaning. Okay. So this we define in other notation, function fx करीब L, number L, as x करीब number a, right? So this is the meaning. So this is the definition of limit. Okay. Definition of limit means behavior of function fx in the neighborhood of number a. Okay. And how to define? When x करीब, when this x करीब number a, then this function fx करीब number a. Okay. This way you will define the limit, right? Just remember this definition. Limit x goes to a, then function fx goes to number L. Here a and L are numbers. Okay. Rakam hakiki, real numbers. Now come to here. See this. One-sided limit. Look over here. This is one-sided limit. Okay. One-sided limit. The limit of the function fx as x approaches to a from left, from SR, is called left hand limit. That is this one. When x करीब a mean SR, then this function fx करीब L. This is the meaning. X करीब a mean SR. This means you will write this way: limit x करीब a mean SR. هذا इशारा. This इशारा minus, it means x करीब a mean SR. Then this function fx करीब L, number L. Okay, right? Now, so this ishara, hada ishara, this minus hada ishara, it means x करीब a mean yasar. Understand? X, this x, when this x करीब this number a mean yasar, this ishara means mean yasar, then this function fx करीब number l. This is the meaning. Similarly, the function of the limit of the function fx as x approaches to a from the right is called the right hand limit. Right hand limit. That is, when x करीब a mean yamin, then this function करीब l. Okay, this means what? You will define this way. Limit x goes to a. Here plus hada ishara, plus hada fakat ishara. It means what? X करीब a mean yamin. This x करीब a mean yamin. Then this function fx करीब l. Okay. Hada plus means only ishara. It means x करीब a mean yamin, right? So this is called this is called left hand limit. HLH, left hand limit hada. Okay, and this downside is called right hand limit. RHL, right hand limit. Okay. Now see here. See this one. Here number A in the Rasam Bayani. X करीब A mean यसार यानी लोक हिना, X हिना मौजूद यसार and A हिना मौजूद, X यसार and X करीब A, then this function करीब here, then this function करीब L, this function करीब L. This is the meaning. Here X minus, here मौजूद minus is, it means what? X करीब A mean यसार, so फिना X यसार मौजूद हिना, and x going to a mean SR, then this function going to this number L, right? And look over here, number B. See this number B. Here x going to a mean SR, yamin in a plus मौजूद. So look, in a x मौजूद yamin, and x going to a mean yamin. Then this function going to this L, number L, right? This is the meaning. So left hand limit means, suppose if here A मौजूद, if here मौजूद A, number A, okay? So left hand limit यानी x मौजूद हिना, left hand limit यानी SR minus यानी x मौजूद here, and going x मौजूद here and going to number A, going here, okay? And this means here a plus x goes to a plus यानी x मौजूद हिना, x मौजूद here, yamin, and going to a mean yamin. This is the meaning. Okay. So here right hand limit यानी RHL, right hand limit यानी x मौजूद here, yamin from a, and left hand limit यानी x मौजूद yasar mean a, and going to number A, this way. This is the meaning. So this is the meaning of left hand limit and right hand limit. Now look here, note. See this, x going to a minus, यानी this is left hand limit, yasar limit. Here minus मौजूद, यानी x मौजूद yasar. It means what? x asgar mean a. X मौजूद yasar, यानी x मौजूद here yasar. This means what? Hada x asgar mean a. So x yasar mean a, it means x asgar mean a. And here number 2, x going to a plus, यानी right hand limit. X going to a mean yamin, यानी x akbar mean a. X here मौजूद, yamin यानी x akbar, right? X akbar, this X akbar mean A. Okay, X mawjood yamin, it means X akbar. So right hand limit yani, right hand limit means X akbar means A, and left hand limit, this X goes to A minus means X asgar mean A. Just you have to remember this. Okay, now look over here. Next point, see this. Whenever, if you say two-sided limit, if you say this X goes to A, then function f goes to L exists only if, okay, hada X goes to A, then this function goes to L. Hada exists. When exists, then SR limit, left hand limit, and this. So for the right hand limit, same L. If L, limit L, right hand limit L, and this, then you say this X goes to A, fx isavi L exists. It means what? If left hand limit and right hand limit same, nafso, mafi mukhtalif, it means you say this limit X goes to A, fx equal to L, other L number exists. You say this exists if and only if and only if left hand limit X goes to A minus, yani left, here fx, and hada right limit fx, hada same L, mafi mukhtalif. It means SR limit and yamin limit same, mafi mukhtalif. Then you say this exists. Then you say X goes to A. Here X goes to A minus, yani left limit. Here X goes to A plus, yani right limit. Right limit and left limit nafso L. Okay. Then you say X goes to A, fx goes to this number L exists. Okay. If other mafi same, SR limit and yamin limit mafim, then you say this limit does not exist. Mafi mawjood, mafi exists. Okay. So now come to the example. Then it will be clear. See this example number. This example. The Heaviside function h is defined by this ht equal to this. This is the function. Okay. Defined by this. So here function. Let me write here function st. St defined like that. St equal to here 0 if t asgar means 0, and this is 1 if t greater than or equal to 0. This is the function. Okay. This is the function. Now check this function. Limit of this function 0 exist walla mafi exist. Okay. So let me check here. See this. See, check here. So you have to check this. Limit t goes to 0 st. Visavi what? This is the question. You have to check. So first you check left limit, SR limit. So let me check left limit. Left hand side. Left hand limit equal to, how to write? Limit t goes to 0 minus hada, left hand limit st is equal to. So now look here. t goes to 0 minus. It means what? You have to remember t goes to 0 minus. This is left hand limit. It means टी मौजूद यसार, टी मौजूद यसार यानी टी असगर मीन जीरो, टी असगर मीन जीरो. This is the meaning. Okay. Now see then, if here t asgar means 0, then st what? Then st 0. Then here st 0. Okay. So this is 0. See this. If same value, then L exists. Yes, L exists. Now look over here. So here left limit. Let me explain here. T goes to 0 minus. It means what? T मौजूद here SR limit. यानी T asgar means 0. This is the meaning. T asgar means 0. And when T asgar means 0 here, then ST come. ST is 0. So in a function ST is this ST is 0. यानी hada 0. So left hand limit 0. Now find the right hand limit. See the right hand limit. Right hand limit. This equal to right hand यानी यमीन, लिमिट यमीन, लिमिट t goes to 0 plus, हादा प्लस इशारा यानी राइट हैंड लिमिट. ओके, एंड देन st. ओके, so this right hand limit, this means what? t goes to 0 plus यानी t मौजूद यमीन यानी t akbar means 0. This is the meaning. And when t akbar means 0 here, t akbar means 0, then function st come. st यसावी वाहिद, so वाहिद, so हिना मौजूद वाहिद. Now look, left hand limit सिफर and right hand limit वाहिद मुख्तलिफ. It means what? It means what? Here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit मुख्तलिफ. It means what? This limit t goes to 0, st does not exist. माफी मौजूद, does not exist. माफी मौजूद. Okay. Suppose if hada 0 is e and hada is 0, 0 0, then this is 0. But here mukhtalif yani does not exist. That does not exist. Do you understand this? Yes. Good. Okay. Now come to the next question. Does not exist. Now come to this here. This example. See here, the graph of a function g is shown in the figure below. Use the value if the following. See here graph मौजूद. You have to find this. You have to find this one. Number A, limit x goes to 2 minus यानी x मौजूद यसार and going to 2. Okay. So now look, हिना कम मौजूद. This means what? Here look, number A, x going to 2 minus and then gx is avi come. You have to find this. So x goes to 2 minus यानी min yasar, x करीब 2 min yasar. This is the meaning. So look, 2 हिना मौजूद and x करीब 2, x करीब here min yasar. So when x करीब 2 min yasar, then gx come, gx up, gx hada यानी gx hada talata, gx hada talata. So function yani hada, this is talata. See this, when x करीब 2, x करीब here 2 min yasar, हिना माइनस मौजूद यानी x करीब 2 min yasar, x करीब 2 here, so हिना then function hada here यानी this talata, gx talata, then hada x करीब talata. right? So x करीब 2 mean SR. Now see number B. Number B is what? x करीब 2 plus यानी x करीब 2 mean yamin. So mean yamin x करीब 2 here yamin hada करीब 2 here. Then g come this यानी hada. So hada wahid. So this means this gx is having 1. This. Can you see this? Is it clear? Yes. So this is 1. So now look. What about this? Then what about this? At this number 2, limit talata, and this number 2, right limit wahid. So hada talata and hada right wahid mukhtalif. It means what? This one, number C, limit x goes to 2, gx does not exist. Hada does not exist. Does not exist because see, SR limit at 2 talata, yamin limit hada at 2 here wahid mukhtalif, yani limit at 2 does not exist. You understand this? Now see another one. Let me delete this. So any problem here? Again, okay. Let me see again here. First you look here. Now see this. Look here. What is number A? Number A is this. Let me write here. Limit x goes to A, limit x goes to 2 minus. 2 minus means what? X goes to 2 minus means x करीब 2 mean SR. Here minus means x करीब 2 mean SR. So x करीब 2 hada. So x करीब 2 here. X करीब 2 mean SR. Okay. Then at this point hada g hada yani g hada talata. See this, talata. So this g is become talata. Okay. And now look this b. See this b yani limit x goes to 2 plus यानी x plus 2 plus यानी x करीब 2 mean yamin. X करीब 2 mean yamin. This is the meaning. Okay. X करीब 2 mean yamin. So x करीब 2 mean yamin means hada hina. X here मौजूद. करीब 2 मौजूद here mean yamin. So mean yamin here. Then if you draw this line, cutting here, cutting at this rasam bayani. Okay. At this rasam bayani yani hada wahid. So hada wahid. G Savi come here when x करीब 2 mean yamin, then this function gx Karib hina at this rasam yani here, and this point here is what? This is 1, hada 1. Okay, so now look, limit s at 2 and limit yamin at 2, limit yasar talata and limit yamin wahid mukhtalif. It means what? Limit 2 x goes to 2 gx, hada mukhtalif, hada talata and hada wahid. It means limit x goes to 2 gx does not exist, hada does not exist. If hada and hada nafso same yani hina same, okay, but hada mukhtalif, it means hada x goes to 2 gx does not exist. This is the meaning. Now do you understand this? Okay, yes. Now come to the next. Let me delete this first. So let me delete this. Now number D. Now look over here. Number D. Number D is what? Number D is limit x goes to 5 minus, again minus yani SR limit. See this. X go 5 minus yani x करीब 5 meaning SR. X करीब 5 mean SR. So look here. X करीब 5 हिना मौजूद, so करीब 5 हिना mean SR. Okay. So here if you draw this line, this is going this rasam bayani here, and this means what? Hada kam, hada itnen. See this. When x करीब 5 mean SR, then gx करीब इतने, then gx yani hada. X करीब 5 mean SR hina, then this gx yani hada 2. This point. Okay. Now number E. See the number E. Limit x goes to 5 plus gx. hada kam. X करीब 5 mean yamin plus yani mean yamin. So x करीब 5 here. Mean yamin. Okay. Then this, draw this line, hada again coming here. Here means again this point hada. This itne yani gx करीब इतने. Okay. Now look here. Here left limit at 5, left limit at 5 itne, and right limit at 5 itne yani hada kam. F limit x goes to 5 gx isawi kam hada itne and hada itne yani exist, and this is 2. This is answer. See this. Is it clear? Yes. Why not 1? Why 1? If x करीब 5 here 5, then if you draw this line, if you go this way, then this coming here at this point, so hada point and hada point seal hina. SR this line. So coming here hada itnen. Okay. And x करीब 5 mean yamin yani hada. And from here if you draw this line up, function y, so coming here, and this means what? Again coming here at this 2. Okay. So this is 2 2 yani this f limit x goes to 5 gx exists, and this is 2. This is 2, right? How to? Now come to the next question. Here, look here. Here रसम बयानी मौजूद. You have to find this. See रसम बयानी hada. Okay. Number A. C number A. X करीब वाहिद. X करीब वाहिद मीन हिना माइनस मौजूद, यानी x करीब वाहिद. X करीब वाहिद मीन यमीन. X करीब वाहिद मीन यमीन. Okay. So where is Wahid? Tell me. Wahid hada. Hada Wahid. Okay. And x करीब वाहिद मीन यमीन. X करीब वाहिद यानी x करीब हिना. Okay. So if you from here draw this line coming here, coming this point hada, and hada come hada itnain, यानी x करीब 1, then this fx करीब this 2. See this. And now come to this number B. Here x करीब वाहिद मीन यमीन. x करीब x goes to 1 plus, यानी x करीब 1 मीन यमीन. So x करीब 1 यानी हिना, करीब हिना. Okay. Then what will happen? If you draw this line, this is going forward. Hina rasam bayani. This rasam bayani coming here. This means what? Hada come. Hina itnain, so hada talata. Hada hina talata. This is talata. Okay. So left limit at 1 itnain and right limit at 1 talata mukhtalif. Yani hada come. X goes to 1 fx. This does not exist. Does not exist. This okay? Does not exist. Yes, 2, 3. So does not exist. Right. Now come to here. Let me delete this. And now come here. This one. How come? See this. Number D. X करीब 5 माइनस, यानी x करीब 5 मीन यमीन. सॉरी, x करीब 5 मीन यसार. हिना माइनस मौजूद, यानी x करीब 5 मीन यसार. So how the function fx come? So where is khamsa? Can you tell me where is khamsa? Khamsa hada. And kareeb khamsa mean yasar, yani hina. So if from here you draw the line, where coming? Rasam bayani, coming this rasam bayani, coming here, and hada come. Hada mawjood hada, yani this is arba. So hada arba yani this is arba. Okay. And now number E. X kareeb khamsa mean yamin. X kareeb khamsa mean yamin. Right? So khamsa hada and x kareeb khamsa mean yamin hina. Okay? So if you draw this line, where coming? Coming rasam bayani here, same rasam bayani here coming. Okay? So this is also arba. So this is equal to what? This is also arba. This means what? Arba yani x goes to khamsa fx isawi arba hada. Left limit arba, right limit arba, yani limit x goes to khamsa fx isawi arba. The same. Okay, do you understand this? SR means X करीब number mean SR, and Yamin means X करीब number mean Yamin, and you have to, from that number you have to see the function fog under Sambyani, right? This way. Now come to the next point. And here मौजूद also G. Where is G? E, F, G. G माफी मौजूद in the question. In the question G माफी मौजूद. Okay. But let me explain here what is the meaning of G. Do you know this? Hina khamsa मौजूद. Hada khamsa. Hada khamsa. So hada khamsa. This number is 5. See the Sambyani. Hada 5. Okay. If you hina mafi SR mafi Yamin exact khamsa. Exact khamsa. If you go this line X हिसाबी खमसा here. If you go here, then हिना मौजूद circle. Circle यानी number माफी मौजूद. So this means what? G of खमसा. हिना माफी SR माफी Yamin. Exact खमसा हिना. If here खमसा and going for, then हिना मौजूद so हिना मौजूद circle. Open हिना. हिना मौजूद open. Open यानी no number. Open यानी no number यानी not defined. G5 not defined. G5 not defined. Do you understand this? Exact khamsa, number khamsa, suf khamsa and fog khamsa, मौजूद hina, here मौजूद, see, hada khamsa, and fog khamsa, go, fog khamsa here. If you come here, hina मौजूद circle, open यानी no number, माफी number यानी not defined. This means what? G5 यानी X युसावी खमसा, exact खमसा, माफी SR माफी Yamin, हिना एकदम exact खमसा here. Okay. If you suf hina SR means hada, this, and Yamin means hada, this and this. But if go khamsa, then hina circle open यानी no number. SR Yamin मौजूद हिना branch रसम बयानी, but fog खमा माफी रसम बयानी open यानी not defined. G5 not defined. This is the meaning. Do you understand? Okay, right. Now come to the next point. See this. Infinite limits. If this one limit x goes to a mean SR and fx goes to moja infinity, or this limit x goes to a right and this function goes to plus infinity and here plus infinity. Okay, look, left limit moja infinity, right limit moja infinity, yani this x goes to a, fx goes to moja infinity. In a left, right and left moja infinity and right moja infinity. It means what? Limit x goes to a, fx savi moja infinity. So if this function goes to here moja infinity, then you say this is infinite limit. Okay, going to this plus infinity. This means what? When x करीब number a, then function करीब moja infinity, then you say it is infinite limit. Here look, x करीब a mean SR, then function करीब सालिब infinity. x करीब a mean yamin, okay, then this function करीब सालिब infinity, यानी here SR limit at a सालिब infinity, yamin limit at a सालिब infinity, hina सालिब infinity, hina सालिब infinity. It means what? Limit at a यसावी कम सालिब infinity, SR सालिब infinity, yamin सालिब infinity, यानी limit here सालिब infinity. Okay, so if limit Mojar infinity, limit salib infinity, okay, then you say it is infinite limit. It is infinite limit. Okay, if here value, you get the value Mojar infinity or salib infinity, then it is called infinite limit. Just remember this. This is the definition. Infinite limit. Yes, infinite limit. Now come to this point. See this question. See this example. Find limit x goes to 0 and function hada wahid ala x tarbiya, and here limit x goes to 0 function hada sali wahid ala x tarbiya. Okay, just you add here. Let me explain here. First you tell me here limit wahid ala x tarbiya hada rasam bayani this wahid ala x tarbiya rasam bayani hada, right? So first you see this limit. Limit x goes to 0 minus, then wahid ala x tarbiya hada come x करीब 0, x करीब 0 mean यसार. So when x करीब 0 हिना, x करीब 0 हिना mean function what? The function ala. Function going here. Where going? Mojab infinity. So this is function wahid ala x tarbiya going mojab infinity. And now see the right limit. Limit x goes to 0 plus. Then this function wahid ala x tarbiya. Where going? When x करीब 0 plus x करीब 0 mean plus means x करीब 0 mean yamin. So x 0 here, x करीब here 0 mean yamin. Then see the function hada, hada going where going? This again going infinity, mojab infinity. So again hada going mojab infinity. So see this SR limit at 0 infinity, yamin limit at 0 infinity, infinity. Then hada come limit x goes to 0. This is infinity. See this. Do you understand this? Yes. Good. Yes. Now come over here. Now come here. So can you tell me? I told you here hada see this function hada wahala x tarbiya hada wahid ala x tarbiya hada rasam bayani. Okay, if in a seal salib awal seal salib, then what will change? Awal seal salib, then nafsu rasam bayani down, reflection about x axis. So hina what? Hina मौजूद अव्वल सालिब hada wahid ala x tarbiya, and hina bas अव्वल मौजूद सालिब, then hada nafsu rasam bayani hina down, so down hina मौजूद सालिब wahid ala x tarbiya. So now suf hada rasam bayani means this. Okay, So first you find left limit. Limit x goes to 0 minus, then hada salib wahid ala x tarbiya. This function yusawi kam x करीब 0 min yasar. So when करीब 0 hina min yasar, then suf rasam bayani hada, and hada going salib infinity tahat. So this is salib infinity. Okay, and after this right limit x goes to 0 plus, then hada x करीब 0 प्लस मौजूद यानी x करीब 0 मीन यमीन, राइट लिमिट, राइट हैंड लिमिट. So x करीब 0 मीन यमीन, so x करीब हिना, करीब 0 here. Then where the rasam bayani hada suf, hada rasam bayani, hada going salib infinity. So hada also salib infinity. Okay, so left limit at 0 minus infinity, right limit at 0 minus infinity. It means what? Hada x करीब 0 and this function is going to minus infinity. This is the limit. Okay, so first you check left and then check right. If left and right same, then hada left right same, salib infinity, then hada salib infinity. If left and right mukhtalif, then hada does not exist, does not exist, right? This way. Infinite limit, yes, infinite limit. Infinite limit, yes. Going to minus infinity. It means it is infinite limit, right? Any problem here? Today I will stop here. If any question, then ask me. Okay. So today I will stop here. If any question, then ask me. Clear, right?